What's up, YouTube fam? Alright, I'm back with an update video on the TTR250 project. Guys, I'm just going to tell you, it's not looking good. Does anybody need any TTR250 parts? So basically, the leak down test, it led us in the right direction. I'll show you the head first. We did have two bent exhaust valves, which you can see plain as day right there. We're not coming out. The problem is, guys, this thing had been sucking dirt for a while. The intake boot right here was pretty much shot. You guys know the air filter was completely disintegrated. And because it had been sucking so much dirt, what scares me is there's a decent bit of scratching on these cam journals. And I haven't cleaned it up yet to really see how bad it is. But it's bad enough to make me a little scared. So, all right, the rest of it, there is substantial scratching there on the piston. The cylinder looks like it's probably savable, but I haven't cleaned it up yet to verify. I'm just kind of starting to mentally add all this stuff up, guys. You're talking a piston, call it $100. These things can be expensive. Let's say 50 bucks, 150 bucks. A couple intake valves, there's another, call it $100. There's $250. I'm gonna need a gasket kit, call it 50 bucks. We're in 300 bucks. Needs an air filter. And then if I'm gonna keep it, it needs the fork. I can't even sell it with the forks like that, really, guys. It needs the fork serviced. It needs the shock service. There's no bumper or anything left. It's pretty rough. So, who knows what else is wrong with it? Who knows why it jumped time? To be safe, I would buy a cam chain and a cam chain tensioner. Who knows? That could be another 50 bucks. To get this thing in good running order, it's got no headlight, which is not a big deal, but this switch is also going bad. To get this thing in good running order, I could be in this thing, $700-800 bucks and a ton of time. The oil drain bolt is stripped on the bottom, never got it out. It's just, if it was just if I could just pay $600 or $800 bucks and not have to mess with it, that would be one thing. But the $600 or $800 bucks plus, this could take a weekend to get this running, or multiple evenings. Who knows what else I might run into. It's something that I have to do slow because I've never rebuilt one of these before. It's not a popular model. They only made these things for a few years. I was excited to spend a little time because I've heard that they're one of the most underrated bikes ever made. They're actually a really good and fun bike for what they are, but it just doesn't seem like it's in the cards. There's too many things I'm gonna have to buy. I'm gonna crunch these numbers tomorrow at my desk. So if I happen to get them crunched, I'll put them up on the screen here sometime during this video. But there's so many things I have to buy, and then hope I don't run into anything else, and then everything's got to go right. And it's almost not worth the stress, guys, when I could just tear it the rest of the way down. And I have a nice extra battery to put on one of my bikes. There's an FMF power core. The wheels are in good shape. I can probably sell the bottom end as a working bottom end. Those bearings feel good. Crank feels good. I don't know. It's just hard to argue with immediately just parting this thing out on eBay and bringing some money in rather than trying to put money out. So more than likely that's what we'll do. Those bar risers will bring a little bit. What do you guys think? Do any of you guys have TTR 250s? Do you need parts? Whatever. I don't know. I'm definitely willing to listen to any of your all's opinions, but this thing has been sucking dirt for a long time, and it's gonna need a lot of cleaning and a lot of TLC and a lot of time that I really don't have right now. I need to get this bench clear. I need to get the top end done in my KX. I need to get my factory edition. It's going to be in any day. I'm going to need to get it up on this bench and do a bunch of videos on it. I really just need this thing off here. So I don't know, guys. I'm kind of leaning towards just parting it out. I don't know, but definitely let me know what you guys think. Leave your comments down below. There's tons of projects to work on around here, so it's not like if I don't do this project, I'm not going to have anything to do or any content for the channel. It's nothing like that. So thanks for watching. Appreciate all you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video.